Kum ka Kynmaw Burom ya uwei ni nongialam khraw ka jylla, but ubadeiru nongmihkhmat but Myntri barim ka jylla na Umroi Constituency, ka Mawlasnai Football Association, mynta kasi kala plie pyrda no da kawei ka football tournament, balatip kyrteng kum ka E.K Mawlong Memorial Football Trophy, Hajar plie, na ka bynta ban Kynmaw Burom ya ulit E.K Mawlong, bam kwai haduar ublei. Haba pasha ka jing yakun ki arkanhun, kata ka Hills United Dipu, persya ka Kynmaw Mawlong Football Club, hakani ka sngi plie pyrda ka tournament, ka Hills United Dipu, kala yora ya ka nam job, da ka ba kalapan remno ya ka Kynmaw Mawlong Football Club, da saula haka jing ya shoot tiebreaker.
Here are these players of Kynmaw Youth Club.
Everyone, Mawlasnai On the very outset, before I start my speech, I would like to thank the organizer for inviting me as a chief guest. This is my first time. In a Mawlasnai playground. And I'd like to thank the organizer as well as the people of Mawlasnai for inviting me as the chief guest and as the tournament and both the committee living in Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong. We should be stay in peace. We should not fight each other. Also, I would like to state about the bordering of Meghalaya State and Assam, Karbi Anglong District. Here we don't have any issue about the border problems, and we should stay in peace. We should not fight. If we fight, tomorrow you may come at Umlapen. Today I may come at Mawlasnai. So we should not fight each other. We should stay in peace. We should stay.
Ibaladon nongtalam ni mynta hakani resmi. Tangai kublai ya ka Mawlasnai Sports Club. Bro kawei ka kunhon kabala ban Pynlong ya kani ka tournament ka ba ki ka E.K Mawlong Memorial Trophy.